Hi Tanpreet. So as we already had a workshop by Mr. Piyush on the opportunities for the entrepreneurship for the MBA students. So what are the major key takeaways from the workshop?
So basically, the session was very insightful for all of us. The most important thing and the best thing that I liked about the session was that the example that Sir used. He basically called one of the students on stage and gave them an example that I'll be gifting you a car of around 2 crore. So, what's your intake on that? So, I got to know the different perspectives that people have, and we were basically able to assess on our own that what an entrepreneur should have in himself. He should be able to take the risk on his own, how he should handle things. So that example was very much influential for me, and I was able to understand what basically entrepreneurship means and how a person should be. We should be able to take the risk as well. And the overall session gave a lot of knowledge and clarity in a very simple words and in a very creative words as well.
So would you like to recommend this course that the sir talked about to all your friends and your colleagues?
Yeah, eventually I would like to just tell my friends also about that. It is very much beneficial, I feel that.